They are listed number 24 among the 65 tribes recognized in the Constitution of the Republic of Uganda. Yet, the treatment they claim to receive while seeking immigration and passport control services is reported unfriendly. This is something they say has been going on for a long time.
Kubanga omuntu ayinza kuba mulwadde nga ali mu bwangu ayagala genda bweru kwejanjaba oba kufuna nga afunye agenda kuyiga agenze ku further studies nibigaana ekyo kiba kikozesa nnyo omuzadde oba n'omulwadde.
I have passport which is I got some time back, and the time I got that passport I traveled many times from Uganda to other countries. So recently when I went back to renew my passport, they said no, I'm not supposed to get passport because I'm not Ugandan.
Under their umbrella, Ugandan Banyarwanda Cultural Development Association Umubano, they want this to stop.
Sayagala kuzalibwanga ni Munyarwanda, ne kitange teyagala kuzalibwanga Munyarwanda, ne jjajjange teyagala kuzalibwanga Munyarwanda, wabula yesanga nga ali ekyo kyali. Ate nze nnina okwekkiririza nti ndi Munyarwanda, ne kitange Munyarwanda ne mange Munyarwanda. Naye bw'ogenda mu internal affairs ng'ogenze kusaba passport nga bakugamba ddayo e Rwanda, ate Rwanda nga simanyiyo ne kitange tatuukangayo, ne twebuuza kati tukoze tutya.
But who exactly are these people and what is their status in Uganda? Simon Peter Mundei is the spokesperson for Ministry of Internal Affairs.
On the night of 8th February 1926, after the demarcation, those who were found on the Ugandan side were now referred to as Ugandans, but of Banyarwanda origin. Those are the ones who qualify for passports. Now, forget about these ones who came from Rwanda yesterday, who came from Rwanda in 1940, 1950, and then they lived here. They produced children. Children also produce other generation. Those ones are not considered Ugandans. You don't automatically become Ugandan just by simply being born in Mulago Hospital.
To successfully address this anomaly, the Banyarwanda want a special desk at the Ugandan immigration offices.
Kati omwana singa nga ddala abaama yasomedde wano alina ebbaluwa ya P7 asomedde wano alina ebbaluwa ya S4 asomedde wano senior 6 yagikoledde wano agenze ku university byonna data oyo abaamulina nti wano tewali nsonga lwaki akalubirizibwa mu bintu ebiringa ebyo.
To this, Simon Peter Mundei has a piece of advice for them.
In order to become a Ugandan, if you were born here those years, in 1940, you have not moved out of Uganda, there is a window for you to become a Ugandan. And that window is what we refer to as naturalization. You apply, and then online, and then the board, the Immigration Control Board, looks at your application and decides on its own merit. You get it, and they grant you citizenship or not.
According to the 2014 Population and Housing Census, Uganda had a total of 524,098 Banyarwanda. Of these, 252,494 were male, 271,605 were female, 422,355 lived in rural areas, while 101,743 lived in urban areas. Henry Okrut, UBC.